And in this video today, I'm going to teach you guys how to earn $500 to $1,000 in 1 hour just by clicking. Yes, just by clicking. And this is an easy way to make some money online in 2020. And you heard it here today. I'm going to teach you guys how to earn $500 to $1,000 in 1 hour just by clicking. And this is an easy way to make some money online. Now, guys, I do want to tell you, I'm going to be showing you two websites today. Yes, two websites today that you can make a lot of money, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on autopilot. So I'm going to show you a secret platform, how you can keep doing this on autopilot without touching it. Literally make money while you sleep, guys. It's completely insane. Let's get started in the video today. Alright, so the first website we're going to be looking at today is called, Woo, I think it's spelled right here, okay? It's spelled like O-J-O-O-O, and then it has like WAD or whatever right there. So just type that in. It's a weird name. It doesn't make sense, but basically this website, what you can do on this website is literally get paid just by clicking ads, guys. So companies are showing us these different ads, and we're getting paid to click the ads, and so are they, right? Just for showing us the ads. So we're getting paid a lot of money, guys, just by using this platform. As you can see right here, you can download this at the App Store or Google Play Store. Let's scroll down, and you can also advertise yourself on this platform. It's called Ojo or whatever. Create a campaign with us, and as you can see right here, you can create your campaign and you can advertise on this platform too. You can make money that way too, to promote different things. But as you can see right here, there's over 30 million plus users, right? And there's over, $1 billion or a billion plus, clicks have been, so many clicks has been clicked on this platform, right? And then up to $20 bonus. So you get a $20 bonus, guys, which is really, really cool. And you can make a lot of money, like I said. So the benefits of of this platform is earned money just by watching advertisements. You can get paid up to 4 cents per click. But guys, don't worry. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you a secret platform where you can literally do this on autopilot and always have it and just make a lot of money, guys. It's completely insane, so make sure you stay to the end of this video. But anyway, as you can see right here, you can also earn money just by watching the videos too. They have different videos on this platform. You can make money by completing simple tasks, as you can see right here, and all that, because they have different tasks that you can do on the offer wall. So there's a lot of different things that you can do on this platform. Make sure that your website will be seen by thousands. So if you wanted to advertise on this platform, like I said, you can advertise your different products or your website or whatever it may be. You can earn money or whatever, and it can be seen by over like a lot of people. But anyway, using their service, their advertising, but we're not really talking about that in this video. And then you can recommend them, so use their referral program, recommend this platform to other people and get rewarded. So you get credited for every click of your referral, and also you can get a $20 bonus, guys. So that's really cool. You get to have a $20 bonus when you refer people, and you get even more money when they just click every click that your referral literally makes. So that's really cool right there, guys. It's completely insane. Alright, so let's scroll down real quick. So like I said, this is the platform right here. I do want to show you guys how the advertisements look. So let's look at this real quick. Like I said, you can get paid like 4 or 5 cents, but I'm going to show you how to do this on autopilot, guys, so you can get paid a lot of money, and it's completely insane. So I'm going to show you a secret platform, right? But before I show you that, I do want to show you how this looks at the Google Play Store, right? So like I said, you can do different things on this platform. They have different things that you can do on this platform, and you can just look through the app. But guys, without further ado, let's get into this secret platform that I'm going to be talking about today. Alright guys, so here is the secret platform. This is a auto clicker, alright? So, what is this, right? So this is an auto clicker, an auto tap. So you can put this on your screen or on your phone screen, guys, and you can have auto clicks just tapping on your phone automatically. And this is a great way to earn passive income and keep getting clicks and clicks and clicks, guys. And if you keep doing this, you can definitely earn $100 per day or something like that. Literally even more than that, guys. You can put this at a faster pace. This is a new and improved app. This really does work, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works, right? So they have single target mode, they have multi-target mode, so that you can enable single target mode, which is, one click, and it just goes at a certain time, so you can put a timer on it. I'll show you about that later on. But the multi-target mode, you can put different, different clicks and stuff, so this is really cool right there. And then here it is, a single target mode right here. You can just tap the screen, so as you can see that dot right there, there's just one target, and it just keeps tapping right there. And then multi-target is like so many other, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many different, clicks that you can do. And you can set a timer for them, like I said. So, oh yeah, they have a swipe feature too. So this is really cool. They have a swipe feature that you can use to swipe your screen. And yeah, this is a great way to earn money. So you can really use this for, other apps that I have also talked about in the past too, for this swipe feature. So there's a lot of different things that you can use this app for, guys. And as I said, guys, you can have a timer on this. So you can time each one, or you can just have a timer on when you want it to stop, all right? So you can put it at like 5 minutes, 5 hours, 24 hours, whatever. You can do whatever you want, guys, and you can leave it on the timer. And this could keep making you passive income when you sleep, which is completely insane, right? So basically, guys, that is, it for this platform. Let's look at some of the reviews, because they have good reviews. This is, friendly, user-friendly, right? Has a user-friendly interface, easy to use, right? Super easy, multiple click points, as you can see right here, multiple swipes, a timer right there, as you can see right there. It shows what, you can use this on, so you can use this on your phone, and this has a 4.4 star rating, so a lot of people are giving this 5 stars, guys, and it's clear to see why, because this is an amazing platform, right? A lot of people are making a lot of money by doing this, guys. And like I said, you can do this for literally so many different platforms. So if you have like different apps that you want to use this for, you can use it for that, guys. So don't just think that it's only for this website that I'm showing you here today, or the next one that I'm about to show you. You can use this for literally any type of platform, which is really cool. Now, basically, this is the platform right here. I do want to show you the next website, because it's similar to the other one, but this one's really good too, so stay tuned for that. Alright, guys, so here's the next website right here. It's called GPT Planet or something. So, guys, just type this website in. They have weird, names, but oh well. And just type these in. And there's people getting paid, over $1 million, guys. And there's only, like 58,000 or 585,000, different users, but they're alright. So like I said, they're getting paid over, millions of dollars has been paid out, and there's so many different members, right? So they're getting paid a lot of money. So as you can see right here, this is the same kind of concept as the other platform. You register, it's free to join at the, on this platform, and then there's different members all across the country. So this is worldwide, right? So a lot of people can join this platform. You can earn money simply by just clicking advertisements, viewing the advertisements, and clicking on other ones, guys. And then you can cash out. They have Payoneer. They have so many different ones, all these different ones right here. Perfect Money. You see, like, not just PayPal, so they have different ways that you can get paid out, guys. And then the minimum cash out is just $1. So when you make your first dollar, you can automatically cash out, guys, with this platform, which is really cool. Now, as you can see right here, earn up to, 1 cent per click, so it's a little bit less than the other one, but guys, like I said, we can use that special technique that I showed you, the auto clicker, for this platform too, just to, click on different ads and stuff. So $1 payouts, like I said, up to 100% of referral earnings, so you can get paid up to 100%, and, look at this. You can get paid a lot of money, guys. So basically, you get the whole point, right? This is a great way to get paid a lot of money. I do want to show you guys how the ads side looks real quick. So this is how it looks right here. You just click on these different ads and you just view them, and you get paid a lot of money just by viewing them, guys. And it's very simple and easy to do, and we can use this platform also for the auto clicker. Like I said, we can set this up, the auto clicker, the right way, and we can use it on both of these platforms. Or like I said, you can use a different platform that you have in mind. Get creative with this, guys, because this really does work, and you can use this on so many different other make money websites or make money apps. You just have to be creative with it, and yeah, it really does work. But basically, guys, this is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it.